which is easier to find? So, chorus, 1 or 2 is easy to find. 2, because I just need the slope of this line, right? You understand what I'm doing? I just need the slope of the line. Can I just do rise over run? What's your fall? What's your run? So your slope is negative 1 over 3. Everybody okay there? So make a note of yourself when you're running controls. That was easy to find. We just do rise. Slope is rise over run. Okay, nobody speaks. Nobody speaks. I need the actual slope at this point. Raise your hand if you can figure it out. How will I find the actual slope at that point? Now don't forget, I'm not trying to find the slope here. I need that guy. How many of you understand what I'm trying to say? If I want f dash of negative 1, I need that point there. That exact point is the slope of f negative 1. Who wants to have a shot? Okay, let's have Ordas good. He never gets a chance otherwise. Mr. Ordas.
Take a point and the slope, and then take.
And do what with it? I'll play along. Take a point, take a slope.
Put it into an equation.
And then finally.
Plug in.
Can you give him a big hand, please? So, alright. So, what's this? What's this? So, last year it was a hard problem in my AB class. Nobody can answer the question except Miss Marzu. Can you just give it a big hand? Just because, in retrospect, because I said you cannot answer the question. So, what's the word? Understand what Mr. Ordas smartly says? He says, why don't you write the equation of the line? Can you just plug in negative 1? I'll give you the exact coordinate. Okay? So, let's do that. Oh! I need the slope of the line. Did we find it? We already have that. Oh, and as far as point goes, can I choose that one with the 0 in it? Wait a second. Is that the y-intercept? Is that the slope? So is the line really y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1, x plus b, and the y-intercept and the slope. And then last step, I'm plugging in y of negative 1, correct? I need the exact height. Negative 1/3 times negative 1 plus 1. Tell me your absolute final answer. Slow and steady. Is it 4/3? So go back and write f dash of negative 1 is 4/3. I hope you understood what we did. Okay, and then I think Mr. Arnold in the other class said, look at me. He said, Rama, am I allowed to eyeball it? Like I'm saying, what the hell? We got 1.3333. This is somebody eyeballing it. How about like 1 point? This is Ramirez. If Ramirez was to eyeball it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting like 1.2695. Like eyeballing, what the hell? No, we need a precise value. We need a precise value. So Ordas method, write the equation line, plug it in, and give you the exact answer. Alright? Stay with me. Oh, okay, this is an easy lesson. So right now, oh my god, I'm missing you. So are we in a video?
Yeah.
You are? Yeah. Oh, it's already recording.
Yeah.
Smart girl. Smart girl.
Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. It's an easy lesson.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so just write down the lesson comparing f dash and f double dash given an f dash graph. Okay, I'll just do 2 examples. You guys are smart, you'll say, okay, I get that. So we'll do it at A. Oh, I get it. This is B, C. Those 3 should be good enough. Okay, now careful. This is the original function, okay? This is not f dash. I'm telling you this is the original function. Everybody got it? This is not the derivative function. It's almost like back to old school. Okay, now I'm telling you that's the point of inflection. Write that down. So on the question it will be given to you. That is the point of inflection. F double dash which is sign, in other words, slopes are increasing, then decreasing, blah, blah, blah. Alright? So the question says compare f dash at A and f double dash at A. Relax, it's stupidly simple. You just have to have understood your notes. Now keep in mind this is the original graph. Okay, you can answer as a chorus. What's f dash? What's the slope at A going to be? 0. Okay, now let's see who has advanced skills. Observe that graph. This is the original graph. What will f double dash of A going to be? I'm going to help you. What's f double dash of A going to be?
Can't hear that.
Louder?
Can't hear that.
I can't hear you. Say that loudly. You're right. Say that loudly.
Less
Less than 0. Tell me why it's going to be less than 0. Because the graph is concave down. So make a note if you need to. It's concave down at 8, therefore less than 0. So we're comparing. Oh, I'm a bad teacher. You knew that already. Guys, we're thinking it's either positive, negative, or 0. That's what I mean by compare. Choose one of them. Exactly. It's either positive number. Do you observe? I know that's bigger than that guy because I know that's 0, but that's a negative number, so that's a higher number. We're comparing. Is that clear? Let's do another problem. Quickly. Let's do it at B. Now, I'm telling you that's the point of inflection. Is that clear? Let's see who studied your notes. I need F dash at B and F double dash at B. First, let's do the easy one. F dash at B, what's the slope there? How cute, -1. This is negative. This is a negative number. I don't get a -1. It's going to be a negative number. For those who don't get it, slope means negative. Okay, let's see who understands to study the node of point of inflection. What's F double dash of B going to be? 0. Because remember, you switch from negative to positive, positive to negative. The point of inflection weighted is 0 for a polynomial now. Did everybody get the hang of the lesson? It's stupidly easy, guys. Alright, let's move on to the next part. Okay, copy down number 6, please. It looks the same, but actually it's different. Why is this different? Look at the very end. Look at the very end. F dash class. Yeah, you need the F dash class. So take that down, please. So this is the F dash class. I'll draw similar graphs. But the concepts are different now. Let's call this guy A. Let's call this guy B. Let's call this guy C. Okay. Actually, let's be consistent. Let that be C. Okay. We'll do F dash at A and F double dash at A. Now, please, it's like wipe the slates of your mind clean, and now this is F dash. This is not the original function. Okay. Easy question. F dash at A. Positive number. Are you above the axis? Are you obviously above the axis? So positive number. The slope of this function at A? 0. Everybody okay? There's nothing to memorize. Just look at the graph and observe what's going on. Let's do B. Now I'm telling you B is the point of inflection of this graph. Is that clear? But it doesn't matter. Actually, it's not even relevant to the problem. I just realized it. It's not even relevant. What's F dash of B? Positive. Obviously a positive number. You're above the axis. And what do you know about F double dash of B? Negative. A negative. The slope is negative. Okay, do C all by yourself. Go on. Do C all by yourselves. F dash at C? 0. Look at it. It's on the axis. You can't make a mistake there. F dash of C is 0. But F double dash of C is negative. You're going leftwards. The tangent line is going right. C, hope you figured it out yourself. Like stupidly easy. Okay, ultimo problema del día. I think so. Yay! Oh, Mr. Dan, stop by after school if you want to. Ms. Mendoza, I am going to teach you this. For graphing, was everybody comfortable doing graphing concave up and increasing the 4 shapes? Okay. But I don't have time to do this. Mr. Dan is going to get angry with me. Okay. Write on number 9. Now we're skipping, whatever. I don't care what you call it. Okay, you're not copying down anything. On your notebooks, just write down given velocity function. Just write down what was given. I don't want you to copy this graph. It's like stupidly complicated. So just write down given velocity function. Alright? And then observe the units. The units are meters per minute. What the hell? Who measures anything meters per minute? Miles. And then per minute. I'm doing it. Anyway. This is time. I'm going to make it easy for you. I'll write down the axis. 0, 5, 10. Oh, it's over there. Okay, but I'll write it here. It's kind of complicated. I thought it was on the graph, but it's easier to look this way, all right? 35, 40, 45, 50, 50. Is that clear? Okay, we'll do a couple of easy questions. Again, please, look at me, Asian, folded hands. If some of you are kind of struggling with these velocity motion problems, Please study your notes. The wisdom is there. I give you the Yoda notes. Okay. Study that everything is in there. It's like you understood it really well, Mr. Arnold. If you understood it really well, and you can play along as we do these questions. So then, man, I like that. These are all easy. Alright? Your concept should be clear. I mean, I explained the concept when I taught you the first time. After that, you should kind of know it. Alright? So we'll do part A. It says, over what interval is the object moving? Let's do leftwards. I'm just picking a few questions. Leftwards. Nobody speaks. Don't look at the graph. Think of the concept first. If the object, look at me please. If the object is moving leftwards, what must be true? Louder. Velocity is less than 0, negative. Now can we read the graph? So first do the thinking, then look at the graph. From 30 to 55. Reason, since, as Ms. Eunice says, VOT is less than 0. Stupidly. Please study your notes. The actual questions are very easy. Okay, we're doing B. Okay, now this is getting tricky. Ms. Eunice says, on my homework. How sad? I said on my homework. It's pretty sad. I go into it. It's pretty sad. But that's really true, you know. When I taught AP Stats, another reason why my pass rates, I went this last week, true story. This last weekend I was at UCLA, the past weekend, and the head of the program was telling another person, this guy, pointing out to me, he said, I haven't seen better scores than him. He's talking about AP Stats in the state. I've never seen scores higher than him for any teacher in the state. And I was insulted. I was thinking, probably more like the country. Why would you demean me by saying state? Like, universe? All the galaxies ever? Why would you put me down now in public? Alright, anyway. But in AP Stats, what I was going to say is in AP Stats, I actually sent the homework. I'm not making this up. I wrote the solution. Now remember, amongst you, sometimes it was Jung, Miss Dong at 11:45 p.m. sends the solutions. Miss Eunice sometimes, Miss San Diego, who doesn't anymore. I, every single day, would go home and do the entire homework and hit send. Every single day. I used to work like 12, 14 hour days. That's why when someone says, do you miss teaching stats? I said, not really. It took a lot out of me. What a badass teacher. Let's continue. The question says, over what interval is the object slowing down? Another way they could ask is the speed is decreasing. But Ms. Eunice points out in the hint, I actually got it wrong. I was doing a cut-paste. It was a cut-paste error. Nobody speaks. I'm helping you. The object is slowing down. What two things should be true then? Sorry? Yeah, you're right. What should have opposite signs? I'll give you two options, choose wisely. Position and velocity should have opposite signs, or velocity and acceleration should have opposite signs. V and A, exactly, write it down. V and A. Please study your notes, we discussed it. You're going the right words, but the acceleration is working the other direction, therefore you're slowing down. Have opposite signs. Now that we understand the concept, let's look at the graph. Don't just look at the graph. The graph is extremely confusing. Look at me. Let me guide you. They should have opposite signs. V is answer positive or negative. V is positive. And what is the acceleration from velocity? What's the relationship? The derivative. What's another word for derivative? Slope. There's no. Again, acceleration is the slope of velocity. We have the velocity graph. Can I find the slope? We're interested in science. So V is positive. And the slope is? Does that work? No. This is obviously flat. Velocity, acceleration slope is 0. Doesn't work. How about this guy? Velocity is, and the slope is, that's one possibility. So it's from 15 to, okay, mini challenge. Figure out the second interval all by yourself. Now shut up. Do it in your minds. Don't ruin it for the others. Velocity and acceleration have opposite signs. So we did velocity being positive, acceleration being negative. Figure out the other interval yourselves. Who wants to have a shot? Go on, Ms. Eunice. She says 40 to 55. Can you see velocity is negative, but acceleration slope is positive. So write down 40 to 55. Not too bad, right? If your concepts are clear, you should be okay. Okay, next question. We're almost wrapping it up. Write down C. At what time t, the velocity is 20. At what time t, guys, no, just read the graph. The velocity is 20. It may be a decimal estimate. Oh, bloody hell, it is. Is it like 2.5? Yeah, 2.5. Where else is the velocity 20? 25. 25 here. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. There are only two things. Okay, now you're learning something new. Is there in the notes, but I haven't talked about it. D. At what interval is the speed 20? You're learning something new. Relax. We just have one more question to go. Over what interval is the speed 20? No, stop. Don't look at the board. I have to teach you what speed is. Please write this down. Speed, now this is a definition. Those of you in physics will have a slightly better understanding. Is defined as the absolute value of velocity. Repeat. The speed is defined as the absolute value of velocity. So look at me so you understand. Can you see velocity can be positive or negative? But the speed is always positive. So, if the speed is 20, the velocity could be or 20. Do you understand the logic? Make a note. It could be plus or minus 20. The speed is the absolute value of velocity. I gave you speed is 20. So velocity can be negative 20 also. So to that guy, so we have 2.5, 25. Which other value should we add? 35 and roughly 47.5? Did everybody understand the question? Okay, último problema del día. You okay? That's how it's defined. Okay, last question of the day. Write this down, please. Are we doing E? As in Yash? Write it down in English. Find the acceleration over. We make up an interval. 15 to 35. Stop. Don't look there. I'm giving you the velocity function. How is acceleration related to velocity again? Is a derivative? What's another word for derivative? Slope. So am I just looking for the slope of the line through those 2 points? Now look at the board. I just don't want slope. Stupidly easy. It says 15. It's 15 here. I'm an idiot. I'm using blue and blue. Is that better? Second one is 35. Is that here? Am I just looking for the slope? So tell me what to write. So yeah. Just doing the point. Okay, I'm just going to tell you the slope of the line. So write down A of t equals. Do it with me. Is that a rise or a fall? Okay, careful. It's look, that's 60. That's negative 20. What's your fall? So is your fall negative 80 actually? Correct? Is your fall 80? Negative 80? Okay, I'm at 15. I'm going to 35. What's your run? 20. Everybody okay there? Now, those of you in physics will know this better. The rest of you accept it like religion. Meters per minute square. We'll discuss on Monday why that's the stupid unit of acceleration. Get out of here. Get out. I just did it slow. Right away. Sorry? Yeah, you can simplify. But in calculus, we just carry over the numbers. If you don't simplify, you'll see everything. Feel free to ask any question.
Oh, yeah.
When is the game begin again?
You add, yeah, you just add. I know, I was like, dude, and I thought it was, where are you going to the library? Aren't you leaving? Yeah. No, but where are you going? I'd ask you a question. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right.
Hey Hannah,
I'm sorry, you're gonna sit up. I used to like, actually, I'm okay, you're so okay. Wait, no, you just ask me right now.
It's too late. Either 5 is some bogus measure. And what I wonder is, are you insane?
Okay. Ready, Bill? Yeah, you're ready. Okay, it's a boomerang. Ready? Go. It's a video. I was like, what?
I wanted the guy to go.
Say hi to Ashley. Okay, bye.